Is my candle?
Come on.
Okay, no, it's not. Well,
Why do I always
there
get
you
the
go.
first?
There you go. So today
Oh,
I will. Ah!
drink
What
2
the?
parts of the coffee, then give it. What? I know this dude's fake. So
This stupid stalker! Okay, as I was saying, today I'll be butchering my friend's trust in Animal Hospital.
please don't, or I'll scalpel you.
Oh,
I still have the urge to get the
um,
scalpel, but I
I guess
can't
it's all
now.
the content! Yay! Okay.
Oh, you're the wrong one.
Why do y'all act in so unhinged
Better watch
ways,
that.
y'all probably are saying? It's for the content.
The realization that I'm following you, the urge to put the wait,
I think I broke my back.
drink this.
Okay. Nice. We're all secretaries, by the way.
Wait, where are
I'm
you
gonna
again?
jump on his body, yeah. Body,
I've got
body,
the bandages to
body.
wrap around your mouth, so we can't hear you anymore. One.
No, get put it on them, not me.
Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3. Magical treatment. You saw nothing.
Okay, level 5. Let's see.
He's fake. On the basis that I say he is.
Dude, what if you're wrong?
6, 7.
Dude,
Wait,
we're
I found
gonna
out.
cut that out
I
if you
found out
say
how to.
that again.
Okay, sorry, but I found out a way you could say it in this game. I don't. Wait, do you wait in here to see the? Wait, you can zoom in on the. You can zoom in on the monitor.
Yeah? Is that so
Okay, that's.
crazy, dude?
I've never thought you could do that. Wait, I'm gonna check the cameras.
All you're gonna see is... Okay, I can't look up.
What's the animal? Is it a bunny?
Yes, I have a bunny room on.
Yeah, it's a bunny. Okay then. I
Wait,
can watch as they walk into medical because that would be way more funny.
dude, I'm literally technically looking at y'all.
I'm like technically. I'm not. I'm technically looking at them, but like they aren't doing anything. I'm looking at them, but I'm not in the room, so they don't do anything.
Yo, my $83 might pay off.
Wait! Don't do anything. No, dang it. Oh, dang it!
Oh, dang it, we don't have a mouse down yet.
Let's go gambling. Oh, dang it! What? No
Frog
service?
eyes.
I guess there was no service for a flipping skinwalk.
Okay, let's see, one camera's down.
Get Don't go on that camera, cause cam monster. Oh, it's the emergency camera. Never mind. I have the scalpel now.
My fire extinguisher.
I have the scalpel. Run. Meat.
I
Do you want the
don't
meat?
like meat.
The meat.
Actually, can I have some of
Eh.
that? So tasty.
Okay, let me get you some more then.
More meat.
Come on.
Oh yeah, you know
Wait.
again.
Okay, right, I've got some more.
Yeah.
You just ate your own heart.
Nice. Oh, this little dude.
How did I see Stalker but not get stalkered?
He touched me! You freaking little guy. Freaking little guy.
I went to check in as a patient because, yes. Wobbity, 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 and wobbity schmoo, wedging and pooning and panning to pond. What am I doing with.
Oh. Sir, it seems like you're a bit disfigured on the camera, so I can't let you in. The camera.
What are you doing, Lottie? I'm not even there. I can see what you're doing.
I'm tricking him.
No, you aren't. What the I'm coming over. If I see you doing that, I'm gonna scalpel you. I'm watching you. I'm actively watching you do it. Scalpel time.
In. Why close the curtains? We need to show this in 4K. Live action in 4K. I've got the camera.
Let's record it in 4K. Show what workplaces.
Wash your hands. Stay ill, stay safe. What? Okay.
We gotta keep 'em fresh. You gotta keep.
Oh, that evil.
Dude, you did that to me. You checked
evil.
the patients a long time ago, dude. You just let away this polo cat.
You're not gonna put
Okay.
your Are you not gonna stream your game?
I did.
But you aren't.
I have a scalpel in my hand.
I mean, my super.
Wait, I'm gonna watch both your streams. Okay.
It's like FNAF, you gotta shut the door on me. Shut the door on me, trust.
Stop.
Wait for that.
Stop. Stop running. Stop running.
I'm still at the doorway.
I'm just doing a couple of bits.
I will come in. I will come in unless you block me.
Okay, I'm not doing
Come on, Mira.
Okay, one.
You probably have to close the door before danger.
Okay.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna go.
All of
Okay,
the patients
okay,
are
I saw that. I saw
surgically
that.
okay.
You're dead. You're dead. You're cancelled. You're cancelled. That's a minor. You're cancelled. Rash and flu, I already know what they need. It's gonna be
And
cough syrup
cough
and
drop.
ointment. Yeah. So, see, I told you. I'm predicting. I actually know what a lot of them are.
Just put in the cough drops.
Did you know that if you like and subscribe, there will be one more subscriber and one more like on the video?
Yeah, that's actually so big brain. Yeah.
See, I'm like very smart.
Yeah, the totally like I
Oh,
didn't know
so
that.
it seems that you like staring at the camera, despite that meaning that your head turns 180 degrees around your body. But I'm on 54, so you can take it, Mirror, because
Okay.
Lottie's doing whatever Lottie wants.
Okay, this video is definitely gonna get a lot of subs.
Okay.
Quaff drops.
Who want
Oh,
coffee?
you got maple
I want coffee.
syrup?
I might have the most sanity, but I want the coffee. I dibs. Bye. I take the one thing
You
that gives people
rescue.
sanity with the most sanity.
Yo, where's Barnaby?
I kinda despawned him.
You what?
I activated the elimination protocol. I got the police to find him before he even arrived here. So big brain.
Dude, now we don't have an extra coffee machine because of you!
I'm being. Will you actually believe that?
You know what? 1 second, y'all. 1 second.
I'm watching you. I am watching you currently.
Scout with me, I dare you. Joke.
Eh. Nyeh. 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 Yeah.
I don't
Yeah.
fight. Wait, I have scissors. I have the better weapon. I have 2 blades. Come back here.
Bet you don't know where I am.
I can watch your stream. I can see where you are.
I'm currently watching your stream.
How though?
Whoa. Sorry, knife.
Wait, I want to get on the side.
Ha! I cut through him. I cut through him
I don't know why.
slowly and coolly.
I can't find where you are, and I'm actually scared because I'm not looking at my.
How am I seeing Stalker, but then I'm not getting Stalker? I'm not like losing sanity if I'm seeing Stalker. But then when I don't see Stalker, I lose sanity from
Dude,
apparently
I just
seeing
looked at
Stalker.
them and they didn't do it!
Stalker's a failure.
Oh, can you please not say the only foam we have?
No. No. I'll keep doing it.
You might want to go to the shop.
I dodged on accident.
Skibbity.
Yo, I'm gonna ban you from my server
I'm
if
like
you
a
say
weeping
that.
angel. I only move when you aren't looking at me.
I looked at you.
I'm gonna take the coffee. Bye.
I thought
My
you
coffee.
said you only moved when I can see you.
I
I
have one.
see you right
I live.
now.
I now have 101%. I see. I have 101% of sanity now.
You got some nice coffee there, fella.
Just before you continue, Sam, let you know that I'm a minor. Okay.
No, you got the jump, Jack. I jumped when you jumped.
I'm not saying.
Jump.
Hi,
Dude,
I'm
you
like
gotta
up
know I'm a
here.
minor too, dude. So basically, we need each other.
Wait,
Oh
do we have
my.
any more patients?
Do we have any coffee? No, don't shut down
No,
Barnaby! Barnaby!
we don't. We won't have enough time. He'll leave. Can you not shut it? We want an extra coffee maker.
Barn!
Surprisingly, we
No!
want an extra coffee maker,
Me!
so don't mirror. Mirror, seriously, stop.
Mira! Mira!
Seriously, this isn't funny anymore. Do you want more coffee or not? Don't, though. We know he's an anomaly. He'll just wait. Taser him. You have the taser. Taser Bo, you have the taser. You can't be complaining. Doesn't matter. I think if we miss this one, it doesn't matter. They aren't both anomalies. Barney isn't an anomaly. Barney is Barney.
Well, then he's a serial killer.
Yeah. Now we do it. Wait, do you want to kind of like play FNAF in Animal Hospital?
This is FNAF, but Animal Hospital.
Go on the cameras then.
That's supposed to be a yawn. Oh!
Oh,
Oh!
that abomination.
The cat guy's normal. This guy bad.
I'm gonna give patient 5 the scalpel.
Okay, 2 normal people.
Barney's not an anomaly, Miller.
Let me take that.
He's not an anomaly, he's evil. There's a difference. If no one finishes patient 5, if no one does room 5 by the time I get to room 5, the patient is done.
Mio, you gotta do that room.
I'm eliminating the patient. I'm eliminating the patient because you guys are. I'm like really close. I'm close as anything. Next time I'll just immediately kill him if I get into the room. I'm going to room 8. I'm going to room 8. Bye. I'm going to room 8.
Dude, I'm gonna save him.
Yeah, you gotta save him, and I'm gonna be fast in 45 seconds because I'm coming in right now. Beep.
Listen.
I want to check the door every once in a while.
Organ. This.
3, 2, 1.
I saved him!
You're the target now. You're the target. Wait, if I can't do you, I'll at least do another patient.
Do Milo. Do Milo.
Or I'm
Do Milo.
gonna do patient 7. I wanna see what patient 7's doing.
I'm
Oh,
gonna
wait.
leave.
He's got bed monster.
I'm gonna leave,
You might,
honestly.
are you serious?
I'm gonna leave. Yeah, I'm serious.
Can you, like, I'm going to eliminate, do you want to give the Canadian the
I'm
maple
gonna
syrup or
leave,
not?
y'all.
They say, but they don't do it.